As we step into 2024, I'm excited to share my goals for the year ahead. This year, I'm making a conscious effort to embrace a healthier work life balance, prioritize quality time with loved ones, and nurture my well being. Here's my list of 2024 resolutions. Number one, achieve a healthier work life balance. Finding that sweet spot between work and personal life is my top priority. I'm committed to creating boundaries, taking breaks, and prioritizing self care. Number two, more time with friends and family. Nothing beats the joy of spending quality time with the people who matter most. I'm determined to strengthen those bonds and create beautiful memories with my loved ones. Number three, cook more meals at home. Say goodbye to DoorDash, Uber Eats, and all other forms of takeout. I'm ready to get creative in the kitchen, explore new recipes, and savor homemade meals. Bon appetit! Number four, Peloton pedals. My Peloton bike is calling my name and I'm answering. I mean, it's only sitting in front of my desk. 5 days a week, I'll be crushing those workouts and embracing the thrill of progress. Number five, strength training at the gym. Building both mental and physical strength is essential. I'm hitting the gym regularly to push my limits and unlock my full potential. Number six, cherish each and every day. Life is a beautiful journey, and I'm determined to cherish every moment, find gratitude in the little things, and savor the present. Last year, I lost a lot of people I loved. From my dear grandfather, who was like a father to me, my ex-fiance from Tobago, an uncle, and then his wife, my godfather, and a childhood babysitter. Let's support each other in our journey towards self-improvement and personal growth. In the comment section below, please share with me tips or advice to help me achieve my goals. Cheers to a year of positive changes, growth, and happiness.